sausage there. Okay, guys. First of all, check that out. It looks like it works. I don't know. There's an old one. It's in the mini mart. Okay, we are at a very rural street market in Pitchibun province, in the north part of Pitchibun province. Most people here are hill tribe people, Hmong people. I'm curious as to the food. Of course, mostly Thai food, but I want to see what the cooked food looks like. The people around here are super friendly. Well, typical Thailand, but even more friendly than what I'm used to. I saw some really cool produce. They grow a lot of nice food here. She's been watching me pretty closely. Who knows what we'll see? It's not that big, but it's different. It's really different, even for me. Strawberry is quite popular this time of year. Lots of choice. She's got a bucket full. Just people doing what they do, right? Look at this. Look at the size of these radish. Hello. Look at the size of that. Bye-bye. Bye. Somebody's shy. Oh, donut. Look at this. Only 20 baht. See the little girl on a motorbike? She's trying to see me. She got tired of trying to see. I don't even know what kind of vegetable that is. I don't know what that is. Busy place. Busy place. Hi. Hi. Firewood, yeah? For make a fire, yeah? it's firewood, yeah? It's okay. Thank you. Second time I've seen it. I got some the first time. What I got is better than that one. Oh, Kanom Crook. It does not pay to be a fish. It's a big pink truck. Easy to get people to wave, I tell you what. That looks very sticky. Check this out. He's watching me. There we go. Ooh, hot and sticky. Any idea? It's seed pods, something. Gotta be seed pods. Kids will be kids. Oh, what's she cooking? Little balls. Seems like more like doing laundry than cooking. Here's what they look like when they're done. Some ride in the back, some ride in the front. Whoa. Check that out. That's a walk for you, huh? That's a walk and a half. Chicken, everything, fresh, cooked. That looks good. I think it's just skin. Chicken skin. Hello. Busy spot over here. Oh. That is a very rapid boil. Hello, buddy. I wonder what's in that clay pot. Looks spicy. Piggyback ride. Whoa, sausage. Don't know what that is. Move? Fish. Fish sausage. You can make anything look like sausage. Thank you. Mushrooms being shredded. One thing I've noticed, they like hot dogs here too. You see the girl? This is different.
Yeah.
This chicken, eh? Okay, check this out. This is the pork lady and her husband probably. Look at these knives. Oh, these are awesome knives. But look at this. He's got an axe. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Look at this. Riding on the back. Well, that's it, guys. Pretty cool place. Not a lot of stuff going on here. The only market that I've seen on all my travels that sold anything other than produce. This lady is giving me the evil eye, which is guarding her bucket of money. Pretty cool place. This is just normal people doing their evening shopping on their way home. It'll soon be dark. Everybody's buying food to take home to either cook or already cooked, ready to eat. That kid is blonde. That's different. That is really different. Alright guys, as always, thanks for watching. I do appreciate it.